Okay, we are out doing a furnace inspection. Furnace is from 1996. It's a 58PAV070. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is check this heat exchanger. Will always stay there. Yeah, lighting's not the best. So we'll get the camera in there. Let you guys see what's up. Wrapped up. What the heck? Let's see. Good old trusty camera. Slide up on in here. And we'll go for the outside cell on we're cracked. Let's see. Oh, let me get back. Right there, we're cracked on the dimple. If I can get it into view. There it is, right there. That's 2, 3. See how the outside. So we are going to get the customer and go show him. Okay, I did talk to the customer about the condition of his furnace, and they are snowbirds, so they are not going to do anything with it until April because they're not going to be here. And I can't get a furnace installed fast enough. So when they come back, they're going to deal with it, but I got to get this thing back together. That screw does not want to go in there. The screw does not want to go in. They told me they had the furnace looked at last year, and they did not pull the blower. They did not look with the camera. So your camera is your most valuable tool on the truck. Just slide it back together here. What the hell? I had this blower wire, and it goes on spare. Put that back in there. I'll turn this thing on. Should have a 12. 1, 1, 2. And we're good to go there. I'm going to make sure it fires up. That's on. Oh, jeez. But let's see. I just had a humidifier installed a while back. I think 2 years ago. AC matches, so we're 2-ton AC. And we're right there. And it's hooked up wrong. Should only run on the heat cycle, not the fan cycle. So that's got to be fixed. Let's see if she fires up. Alright, we are done for this one. Just a heat exchanger check on that furnace. See you on the next one.